Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Thinkware Dash Cam is probably one of the most essential investments for any driver today. With the increasing number of incidents on the road, having a reliable dash cam can be a lifesaver, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents. Beyond accident recording, these cameras offer added security, monitoring your vehicle even when parked, and capturing memorable road trips with stunning clarity. So, let's dive in and explore why a Thinkware Dash Cam should be your next purchase. Number 5. Thinkware U1000 Dual Dash Cam. This dash cam records in stunning 4K UHD resolution, capturing every detail on the road. You can also switch to 2K QHD at 60 frames per second for even smoother footage. With a 150-degree viewing angle, this camera ensures you don't miss a thing. It provides comprehensive coverage of the road ahead and around you. Even in low-light conditions, this camera excels. The Super Night Vision technology reduces noise and enhances image quality, providing clear footage at night. This dash cam is designed to protect your recordings. The anti-file corruption technology minimizes the risk of losing footage due to bad blocks or data corruption, ensuring the reliability of the memory card. Stay connected with Thinkware Cloud 2.0. It offers features like remote live view, geofencing, and parking impact notifications. A hotspot connection is required to use these features. What we like. This dash cam boasts stunning 4K UHD resolution, ensuring every detail is captured with crystal clarity. With its wide viewing angle, it provides comprehensive coverage of the road. If you prioritize the highest video quality and advanced cloud features for remote access and monitoring, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It records absolutely everything I can install very easily and quickly. Good image quality. It's a pretty clear picture and video, both front and rear cameras. It does record sound in the cabin if you choose to turn on that feature. This system also shows speed. The video quality is everything and this dash cam delivers. Number 4. Thinkware X700 Dual Dash Cam. This dash cam captures crystal clear footage in Full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second. It has a wide 142.7 degrees viewing angle, ensuring you don't miss a thing. The camera records both the front and rear of your vehicle in 1080p. This provides comprehensive video evidence of any incidents that may occur. It features a 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen. You can instantly play back videos, navigate menus, and adjust settings directly on the screen. The advanced driver assistance system alerts the driver of potential forward collisions, lane departures, and front vehicle departures. This helps to keep you safe on the road. It utilizes advanced technology to reduce noise and enhance image quality in low-light conditions. This ensures clear recordings even at night. With the included GPS antenna, it notifies you of upcoming red light cameras and speed cameras. This helps you stay aware of your surroundings. What we like. This dash cam offers Full HD 1080p recording, capturing clear footage of your journeys. The built-in 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen makes it easy to navigate menus and review videos. If you value driver assistance features like lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts, this dash cam will enhance your driving safety. What people say. The video quality is excellent, both day and night. The parking mode feature is a great addition. The camera is well designed and easy to install. Number 3. Thinkware X1000 Dual Dash Cam. This dual dash cam records both front and rear in 2K QHD, ensuring every detail is captured. Night Vision 3.0 and Dual HDR technology reduce glare and noise, while the Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor keeps the footage sharp. The 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen allows for instant live view, replay, and quick settings adjustments. There's no app delay, just tap and drive. The wide viewing angle helps frame lanes with a front and rear dash camera. Anti-file corruption protects your important files. The 3-axis G sensor automatically saves recordings to a locked folder. The supercapacitor and thermal protection ensure it remains reliable in both hot and cold conditions. Smart surveillance records any hits and motion while parked. Energy Saving 2.0 extends the coverage, and time-lapse recording captures hours of footage. It's the perfect car camera for commutes and road trips. With the optional GPS antenna, you'll receive safety camera warnings, plus speed and route logging. ADAS provides lane departure, forward collision, and vehicle departure cues. Review everything directly on the device. What we like. The X1000 records in 2K QHD, ensuring sharp and detailed footage. It features a 3.5-inch touchscreen for easy control and instant playback. If you are looking for a dash cam that combines high-quality recording with user-friendly operation and reliable performance, this is a great option. What people say. The dash cam was small and came with the rear camera. The recording pictures was clear and the parking surveillance mode recorded the pictures at night and stored it in the SD card. Functions well and has good quality pictures even at night. Number 2. Thinkware Q1000 QHD Dash Cam. This dash cam records in QHD, ensuring every detail is crystal clear. It captures everything you need to protect yourself on the road, providing peace of mind. With front and rear cameras, it offers complete coverage. This system ensures that you have a record of events both in front of and behind your vehicle. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to easily transfer footage to your smartphone. The GPS logs your speed and location, adding valuable data to your recordings. The Starvis sensor provides exceptional night vision. It ensures that the camera captures clear footage even in low-light conditions, keeping you safe. It monitors your vehicle even when parked, thanks to the 24-hour parking mode. The built-in sensors detect impacts and motion, automatically recording any incidents. HDR technology balances the light and dark areas of the video. The 156 degrees wide-angle lens captures a broad view of the road, ensuring nothing is missed. It comes with a free 32 GB card, so you can start recording right away. This provides ample storage for all your important footage. What we like. This dash cam captures footage in QHD, providing excellent video quality. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS for easy connectivity and location tracking. If you want a dash cam with great night vision and convenient features, this is a solid choice. What people say. The cameras were easy to install, and the front cam mounts well behind the rear view mirror and is relatively hidden. Camera quality is very good even in somewhat lower lighting. Nice wide field of view with clarity both day and night. Number 1. Thinkware X700 Rear View Camera. This rear camera records in 1080p Full HD. It captures detailed video evidence, ensuring you have a clear record of events behind your vehicle. The rear view camera provides video coverage at the rear of the vehicle. This gives you complete coverage, adding an extra layer of security. It features a compact size for discreet installation. You can easily mount it without it being too noticeable. A 6M cable is included in the package. This provides flexibility during installation, allowing you to position it where you need it. This camera is compatible with the Thinkware X700 Dash Cam, which is sold separately. It is designed to work seamlessly with the dash cam. What we like. This rear camera records in 1080p Full HD, providing detailed video evidence from the back of your vehicle. Its compact size allows for discreet installation. If you already have a Thinkware X700 Dash Cam and want to enhance your coverage, then this rear camera is a must-have. What people say. The video quality is excellent, both day and night. The parking mode feature is a great addition. The camera is easy to install and set up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.